Let's do another unboxing on this rainy weekend in New York. Usually I feel so sleepy. Did you go outside? No. Did you get sunlight? Where's the sunlight, Ralph? So I'm just going to wake up slowly in the morning. I'm going to get some coffee just to enjoy this Sunday. There's bubbles. Ha. Does anybody else just like have to pop the bubbles whenever they see them? Sabrina Carpenter packaging. You can see, right? Yeah. Take two. So it comes in this little velvety case. It feels so good and so like smooth. There's a little like drawstring attached to it, so it's iconic. And what do we have to show to the class today? Ooh, this bicolor is so cute. I love it. Looks like an amethyst stone and it's just like gold embellishments. The shipping process was super fast and I wasn't expecting them yet, but let's do a try on. It's giving smize. It's giving big cat eyes. It's super stylish and you can wear them with practically anything. This company is great because you literally customize everything from the lenses to the frames to this cute little embellishment. When I tell you these are super affordable and cheap, they are super affordable and cheap. Hello. Ooh. They are so beautiful. Giving Ariana Grande inner goddess vibes. Yes. My goodness, I can see so clearly in these. Wow, I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. These are framing my face so well, giving an hourglass in my face. And I'm someone who absolutely loves like wider frame glasses. Let me know in the comments if you like wider frames or more like narrow frames. For anyone who uses the computer a lot or uses your camera a lot like me, we need to protect our eyes and these glasses are perfect for it. Let me explain, because these are not prescription. These glasses will literally protect your eyes from any computer damage or any phone. The lenses have an anti-reflective coating on them. This baby has 100% UV ray protection because we are protecting our eyes outdoors. It also has blue light blocking for the computer. And the best part is you can wear them outside and inside because they are photochromic, meaning that they basically stay light when you're inside working hard on that computer, or when you're outside they turn into sunglasses and make it a little bit darker so you have the protection from the sun. And of course you can do this. And just in case you want to be twinsies, mine are Grace 21102 in black, and it's the little pattern right over here. Non-RX. We have blue light blocking photochromic, which I upgraded in gray, and it's a 1.56 lens, blue light blocking photochromic lens. Oh, and it's also a water resistance coating, so the whole frame is water resistant. If you are a content creator or work a 9-to-5, you need these glasses. Maybe not these specific glasses. I like to put some style on mine. Super affordable. The frames were $18 and then everything that comes with it was about $44. So for a 2-for-1, all in all, it was about $62. You're basically getting really nice high quality sunglasses, really nice high quality prescription glasses, and your eyes will love you for it. So much fun to shop for these. We started out by picking the frames and you can pick out what color you want. They have a whole bunch of color. Bubblegum marble, basic black. You can fully customize your lenses for whatever your day-to-day is. Not been able to find non-prescription blue light glasses, and they have them. And at last you can add your coating. It was a super simple process. And for those of you who would like to try them, I have a 50% off code for you. It is PFY50. So you have to try these so you can protect your eyes like you protect the rest of your face.